Hi everyone, so I have a blank journal. You never see me do many of these blank, there's no coffee dyed papers in this whatsoever, but there is loads of different types of papers. And I just thought I'd put it together. I've used a cereal box as a cover, and let me give you the measurement. It is just slightly over 7 inches by 4 3/4. It has a 1 3/4 inch spine with 3 signatures. That is the papers that I've used for the front and back. And like I said, that's that's just tell a lie, there is coffee dyed paper in there. It was just on here. That was it. Everything else, oh no, did I can't remember. I don't think I did. I do not think I did. It's just all different papers. There's cream papers, there's forms of ledgery type papers, there's that paper, it's really thin, there's lined paper, squared paper, we have beach paper, we've got ledger, which is that. Yeah, and it's, I don't know how many pages, but it is for sale and it will be on my coffee shop, and I will have the full details below. So that's how the pages go. A great starter for any form of themed journal you want to make it. If you want to write in it, you can just write in it. If you want to decorate it up, then you can do that too. Add pockets and tuck spots and tags and photographs and all sorts of, you can scrapbook in this, if you know what I mean. So yeah, all the papers are the same. It's all the same papers, but just dotted around differently in each signature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 26. I'm going to write that down just for my own. There we go. And then I'll have all the details in the listing. So that's another little thing that I'm putting in my shop, because not everything has to be a full embellished journal now, does it? Anyway, if you're interested, the link will be below, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.